In this video, I will be showing you how to blend two images in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button located at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editing workspace loads, I head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, I type in Tokyo and press Enter. Then, I switch over to the Photos tab to browse through all the available photo options. I scroll down through the results until I find the first picture I want to use, which is a scenic landscape of Mount Fuji framed by vibrant autumn leaves. I click on it to add it to my canvas. Next, I click and drag the corner handles of the image to enlarge it, stretching and positioning it so that it comfortably fills the frame. With the first photo placed, I click on it to keep it selected, then move up to the top toolbar and click on the Transparency tool. I drag the transparency slider down to around 55%, so it becomes semi-transparent, allowing me to easily see and compose the layout. Now, I return to the Elements panel on the left and scroll through the Tokyo photos again to find a complementary second picture. I select a vertical shot of a traditional red pagoda and click to place it onto the canvas. I drag the pagoda photo toward the right side of the canvas, pulling its bounding handles to resize and adjust the crop so that it aligns cleanly from top to bottom. Next, I click back on the first background photo, open the Transparency tool in the top toolbar once more, and slide it all the way back up to 100%. Finally, I fine-tune the size and positioning of the pagoda image on the right, lining up the composition so both photos merge seamlessly into one unified design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to blend two images in Canva.